Tornado streaming HTTP responses. Async client receives chunks. I'm trying to write a tornado request handler which makes asynchronous HTTP requests, and returns data to the client as it receives it from its async requests. Unfortunately, I'm unable to get Tornado to return any data to the client until all of its async requests are completed. A demo of my request handler is below. I would expect to get requests to this handler to initially return the text I'm opening, then quite quickly return some chunk for the small request, and later return some chunk, potentially multiple times, for the larger request, before finally returning some closing, and closing the connection. Instead, after making the connection, the client waits a few seconds for all requests to complete, and then receives all of that response at once, before closing. How would I go about getting my desired behavior from Tornado? Thanks in advance.
Decorate your method with gen.coroutine, and yield a list of futures. Here's a simple example. Notice that even though the requests are yielded backwards, the first chunk will still be received after about a second. If you sent them out synchronously, it'd take you 15 seconds. When you request them asynchronously, it takes you just 5.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.